Hi and welcome back to the Polymer Clay channel. Today I'm going to do something completely different. I know I say that a lot, but this really is completely different. I've decided to make some little characters from the game Among Us. I saw some tutorials a little while ago and I just thought they're really cute and it's something different for me to do. So I made all 12 and they've all got their own little hats, and I'm going to show you how to make them. So here we go. Okay, so I've got more clay out than I normally do and a few tools, so I'll just go through what clay I'll be using today. This is Fimo Classic number 2. The pink is Fimo Effect Ruby Quartz 286. Fimo Soft in Plum 63. This one is 16 and it's a yellow one, Sunflower. And this is an aquamarine one. Unfortunately I haven't got the number on it anymore, but yeah, it's an aquamarine sort of colour. It's really nice, that one. Then I've got a lime green, and that's number 50, and that's in a Fimo Soft, even though I haven't got the whole packet there. I do know that one. This one I'm going to use for the little screens of the Among Us characters. So that's going to have the main part is going to be all of them. And this is 386 and it is agate blue. And then following on from that, I've got a lot of these I've had for quite a while, so this one doesn't even have a number on it, but this is like a royal blue, and then I've got like a greeny colour, and then orange. This is Fimo Soft Orange 42, and that wraps up all the clay that I'm going to be using. So I'm going to be doing all the characters, and then I'll be choosing different hats for them. I've done my research and I've made a list of the hats that I like, so I'm going to be doing the hats as well. So let's make a start. So I've made a rounded shape. He's sort of like an oblong sort of shape, and he's rounded, as I said, so he hasn't got any sharp edges anywhere. So I've just rolled out this part here and then cut from this log here 2 shapes, and so I cut it on an angle this side here like that, made a triangle in the middle, got rid of that one, and then made the other leg like that. So that's how I did that, and I'm just going to pop these on and then soften up the legs at the bottom as well. Obviously make sure they match, which these don't at the moment, but they will do.
It's getting closer to midnight. I try to get closer to you, drinking courage from my red cup now. I will soon make a move. Ooh, I can taste it, the bittersweetness of taking a shot, a risk worth taking. If it's a shot of love, baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore you. Yeah, I'm feeling higher and higher. I'm up on cloud nine. Baby, I adore you. I try to focus
I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. I can guarantee you that that was a lot shorter for you to watch than it was for me to film. I think I was probably doing it for about a day now. But anyway, I had a lot of fun. I made some cool stuff. I want to show you what these look like now. So I've got them on a little plaque. So I'll just show you the front ones first. Hopefully there's good focus. I'm going to keep it here, keep it still. Because if I try and zoom in too much, you won't be able to see them, I don't think. This one at the end here, the blue one, has got a bit of cheese on its head. And these are all the little hats, as I now have learnt. Next one's a banana. And then the little green one there has got a cherry. And then the little purple one's got an egg. The little leaves there. Leaves? The little plant leaf. And then black one at the end here. It's got the mohawk. And I'll just turn this around so you can see the other side. As I said, I've done all of them. So I did the white one with the flamingo on his head because I thought that was really cute. The little pink one, he's got the party hat. And then the little red one there's got the chef hat. Oh yeah, the little orange one, he's got a toilet roll. And then on the end there, the little yellow one, he's got the bear ears. So they're those ones. And I've also made a corpse, because you know, why not? So this is the little one with the corpse. So he's got the bone sticking out. He's got the little knife. And then here's the imposter, because he stood by that one. I couldn't get the knife to, I couldn't make the hand. I really struggled making the hand. So I put the knife down. And I made this with liquid Fimo. And I just put some red chalk in it. And then dripped it on. I had a lot of fun doing that. I haven't shown a lot of the footage of how I did this one. So if you are interested in how to make the corpse and set up like this, let me know in the comments. And I'll do a separate tutorial. And that is how you create little Among Us characters with loads of different hats. See you again soon.